Hi, this is Chris Escato, VP of Sales for Salamander Designs, and we're here at InfoComm 25, and I'm here showing our Salamander niche. So this is a piece that can really speed up your installations to make sure that you can install your displays without any wall construction. Now in this case, what we have here is a piece that goes for a 65-inch display, but this will scale up to dual 85s very easily. Down here we have a section with a lift-off panel. Now this is a fabric panel, but it could very easily be a veneer, it could be a laminate. And inside here is 3 different spaces where you have 2 RUs of vertical racking. So you can get all of your gear down here, and then there's a wire chase up to behind this display so you can get all your wires very easily up. Now, a nice thing about this is that it doesn't conform really tightly to the camera or to the display, which means that very easily you can change out this display for other 65-inch displays or the camera without having to modify this at all. So again, this is Chris for Salamander Designs. If you want to know more information, go to salamandercommercial.com.